Let's be brutally honest, most of those so-called free AI video tools are either a total tease or just straight up useless. They either lock you out after 3 tries, or the output looks like a glitchy mess made by a toddler. I've spent an absurd amount of time testing dozens of these services so you don't have to waste your own precious hours. After all that trial and error, I finally found a handful of tools that actually deliver real results without breaking the bank. First up, there is this incredible desktop powerhouse that is wicked fast for image-to-video transformations. The interface might look a bit outdated, but with a little translation magic, it becomes your absolute best friend. You upload a simple photo, give it a quick motion prompt, and suddenly you have professional, silky smooth camera movement. It creates believable parallax effects that make simple images look like high-budget cinema productions. Now, if you want the flashiest, newest models directly on your phone, there is a separate category that is truly worth the hype. I have been testing a mobile app that offers modern presets like vlog-style stabilization and trendy nano animations. The workflow is incredibly simple. Just pick your animation type, set your start and end frames, and let the model work. You can easily adjust aspect ratios and resolutions, which is perfect if you are a creator constantly on the move. Now let's talk about the grind tools, which are basically production lines for churning out massive amounts of text-to-video content. This service isn't the fanciest, but it is fast, reliable, and gives you essentially unlimited generations. The secret to getting great clips is treating your prompt like a short script with clear instructions for action and mood. Because it is so incredibly fast, you can generate dozens of clips for your shorts and reels in a single session. On the complete opposite end of the spectrum, we have the open cinematic models that trade speed for jaw-dropping quality. These are the ones you reserve for that perfect hero shot, something that looks like it belongs in a short film festival. They take longer to render, and you need to be very precise with your prompts, but the coherence and polish are on another level. If you can afford the delay, the output is absolutely breathtaking and anchors your entire campaign with high-end visuals. Cool, so you have a toolkit now, but here's the part that most creators totally miss. Generation is only half the battle. If you make long-form content, you still need to find the shareable moments, add captions, and schedule everything properly. That is exactly where Vizard becomes your secret weapon for scaling your content production. Vizard isn't about generating visuals from scratch. It is about turning long-form content into a stream of viral-ready clips. It automatically identifies the best highlights from your videos, trimming and formatting them for every platform. This saves you hours of manual scrolling and eliminates that dreaded decision fatigue. Then there is the auto-schedule feature, which is a complete game changer for managing multiple channels. You set your desired frequency and Vizard handles the publishing, keeping your content pipeline steady and predictable. The content calendar ties it all together, allowing you to manage, tweak, and publish across your entire social footprint from one spot. Here is how I use this stack. I run the desktop tool for polished visuals, then feed those into Vizard for platform-ready clips. For high-energy phone content, I use the mobile app's trendy presets and then head to Vizard to add captions and schedule. When I need bulk content, I produce dozens of fast clips and use Vizard to pick the most clickable segments. And for those stunning cinematic hero shots, Vizard helps me squeeze maximum mileage by creating teasers and behind-the-scenes cuts. Most generators are amazing at one specific thing, but they don't help you manage a consistent publishing strategy. Vizard isn't the flashy generator, it is the glue that holds your entire workflow together. My goal here was to give you a practical stack that actually scales your creative output without burning you out. Layering Vizard on top of your AI generators allows you to create once, clip many, and stay consistent. If you want the private PDF cheat sheet I've put together, just leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'll send you the exact prompts I use, my export settings, and a sample calendar to help you get started immediately. Thanks for hanging out, and now go make content that actually works, instead of just feeling like you are wasting your time.